Please introduce yourself.
My name is Arlene Doria. 42 years old. Roman Catholic, married. I have 3 children, and I do work before and one employer. 6 years, almost 6 years, quite. I do cleaning, mopping, take care of the children, bathing, and all the clean house. And the one is Macau, Manhattan, Taipa. I finished contract on January 11. I do mopping, cleaning, washing, iron, take care of children, and all the house. That's all. Thank you.